In front of me is Redmi Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit apps. Now choose app lock, hit turn on and choose change password to select one of those login methods for your apps. Create it, repeat it to confirm it, and then select next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in into your Xiaomi account or select not now and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Following that, to lock all of those apps, click on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and check for 0 over here. Then hit use app lock. Decide if you wish to enable your fingerprint sensor to unlock your apps as well by tapping on settings and following all of the instructions, or if you don't want to do it now, hit cancel. Finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. As you can see now, app lock is required. To unlock your app, go back into the same settings, hit app lock, enter your current app lock method, and tap on blue switcher to disable app lock from any app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!